Hey guys, it's me, Stanja. How are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're there, or if you're on Facebook, please welcome, say hello, tell me where you are tuning in from. How far does this video get shared? I want to know. But you are looking at a picture of me. Yes, in the background, that's my vision board. And there you see my Facebook page, okay, from my phone. I'm going to show you guys how you can start seeing new people on your newsfeed. How many of you are tired of that? Like me, you keep seeing the same people on your newsfeed. You love them, they're great, they're amazing. But at the end of the day, you keep seeing the same people, right? So you want to see new people because you want new eyes to be laid on the information you're sharing, right? Because sharing is caring. But after all, we want new people. There are billions of people on Facebook. So let them lay eyes on what you have because they may like it. How about that? So I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned from playing around with Facebook the other day because I got tired of always removing friends. I'm capped out at 5,000. And I'm like, I like my friends, even if they're not always active. Unless they just don't have some type of profile picture, then yeah, I'll remove them. But otherwise, I don't want to get rid of people just to get rid of people. I'll show you something that you can do where you don't have to get rid of people. Hopefully this will work. I won't be embarrassed. But I want you to go to your homepage, right? You're gonna click your homepage. And this is where you see everyone's news feed, right? So here we see some amazing stuff going on here. There's my friend Joe. I'm gonna give him a comment. Hey, Joe. And Joe is actually new because I haven't been seeing Joe's content in a while, right? Because maybe we haven't been engaging, and that tends to happen. If you're not engaging with other people, then guess what? You're not going to see their content. This is a new lady called Kathy. Kathy's new, and I'll tell you why she's new. Let's see what she said first before I come on. Our daughter posted her. Congratulations. 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 Okay, so watch this. I am actually going to go to Yvette. I know Yvette, she's amazing. Yvette, I'm just going to use you for this, but I'm going to come back. We're going to go here to those three little dots, right? See, I just clicked those three little dots there. And these dots are here. And then you're going to do this. You're going to scroll and see here. Why am I seeing this post, right? Why am I seeing this post? Click that and look at this. Why are you seeing it? You're friends with her. You've commented on Yvette's posts more than posts from others. You've commented on posts with text more than other media types. So these are the reasons. And when they say text, probably in Messenger. Other factors can influence the order of the post, and you can learn more there. Now, it says follow, see privacy shortcuts, edit your newsfeed preference. I want you to click that. I hope I'm doing this right here. So you click that. So let's go back. Prioritize, where is it? Edit your news feed preferences. Select that. And then here, take control and customize your news feed. This is where I want us to be. You can prioritize who you see first. You can unfollow people to stop seeing their posts. You can reconnect with people you unfollowed. You can manage your snooze settings, apps hidden from newsfeed, or manage voting and election reminders. I want you to prioritize who you see first. Select that and watch this. It's going to open up a whole cache of who you now want to see, people. And all you have to do is start clicking away. So choose whose posts you don't want to miss. You'll always find them at the top of your newsfeed. So I have April, you've reached the limit. So I've actually reached the people who I've selected. You are gonna now go through yourself and you're gonna select all the people that you wanna see. I selected people I didn't know. So there were people on here, I'm like, I didn't even remember I was following you. So I selected them. I can't do that now because I've already done it, okay? There's a way that you can undo and all of that, but for the purpose of this video, this is how you now can selectively curate who you want to see on your newsfeed. How genius is this, all right? If you like this hack, drop in the comments that it's something that you think is useful, it's gonna help you. Look at this, look at all these people, right? And you can sort. If you click sort up here, you could sort a bit. All right, people you interact with, you can do A through Z, pages only, friends only. You can play around with this a lot, but now you can have a whole new group of people that you're gonna see in your newsfeed. I hope this little hack, I hope this hack blew your mind. I hope it'll help you. My name is Stanja Fleetwood. Although my content is normally not always about little Facebook hacks, I am a coach. I am on a team where many people can use this information because I teach them how to promote our products that we drop ship, our health and wellness products. I teach them how to do this digitally. So anything that I could teach others that could help, I want to share. All right. So I hope this helped. Drop it in the comments, hit like, share, because there's someone who could use this on your team. All right. Wishing you guys the best. Bye-bye.